So this is the unit that I will be applying on camera with you guys. So I'm showing you here that my edges are laid back. I use the styling foam by Touched by Tawaski. I already went ahead and tinted the lace. So now we are going to split the lace down the middle, and then we will continue to remove it with the eyebrow razor. You want to get as close as possible to the hairline when you're removing the lace. That's how you get it to look flush. Usually I would go a little closer. That way it would remove, I'm going to show you guys right there. It will remove the little excess on the forehead, but I was going for a certain look and I knew I was going to mold it. But if you guys didn't want to mold it, you would just remove as close to the hairline as possible. So now I'm going to use that same styling foam, Touched by Tawaski, and I'm going to put a little bit along the hairline, the ends of the lace. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm just going to blow dry it until it is tacky. So this is how it looked after I finished with the molding. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up my mess, lay my baby hair. I'm going to put my scarf down, and this is the final results. So you want to make sure that you put your wrap, and then you're going to go back and blow dry the hairline. That way it can officially melt. And this is the results you get, honey. I'm loving this hairstyle. The hairline looks so realistic.